Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I am back with another Polkadoodles project. I am not done with Christmas. I think that every month I will be sharing at least one Christmas project. So I've decided to make another set of handmade embellishments. I'm trying to get a head start. I don't want to fall behind so that I can have some of these embellishments ready to give away to crafty friends and to use for future projects. Alright, so as you can see, the collection I used is again Winnie White Christmas. I just love this collection, you guys. Images are adorable. It's a really big collection. It comes with a lot of stuff, as you can see. And of course, as always, I will have a direct link in the description box to this collection and a list of items used, whatever I'm able to find. Okay, now let me share with you my handmade embellishments. Alright, you guys, so here they are, and I think they came out so cute. I really love them. Now, I've made these handmade embellishments before. I will link it in the description box. I made some unicorn ones. In that video, I share with you who I was inspired by. I saw a video, and I was inspired from that video to make these embellishments. So, all it is a piece of this pleated trim that you can find at Hobby Lobby. That's what it looks like. You cut up a piece and then you add, you embellish it. That's pretty much all you do. Think of it like an altered piece of trim. So I've added, as you can see, some stickers, which is like the sentiment. Some of them have, this is a punch from Stampin' Up. I've added a snowflake. This is from Spellbinders. It's a wood piece. And then just random stickers that I have in my stash. This is and also the trim that's in the middle is also from, some of it is from Hobby Lobby. Like this one, for example, is Tencel. This is from Michael's. This trim, this sparkly trim, this blingy trim is from Hobby Lobby. This one is from Michael's. And these are just so pretty, you guys. And then I've just layered different dies. I cut this image using an oval, then I backed it up behind a scalloped oval, and then this one right here is from Spellbinders. Now we'll share that with you at the end of the video so you can see what those dies look like. And it's a really fun and quick project to make, you guys. I really love how these come out. And of course, I'm keeping up with the same theme because this is going to be, this is actually part of a swap, but I always like to make extras so that I can gift out to crafty friends. And here are the other sets of handmade embellishments that I've made. I've already shared this with you guys. And that's my project. So now I'm going to share with you how I'm going to package them up. Alright, you guys, so here are my embellishments all packaged up, ready for me to gift to crafty friends and to mail out to a swap that I am participating in. And we were using traditional colors or pastel colors for Christmas. That's why I made them in these colors. And I really like the way they came out. Now these bags are from Daiso. They are just slightly under 6 inches wide, I think. Or yeah, it's like 5 and 7/8. Yeah, something like that. I don't know. I don't remember. And look at the topper. Now I decided to make the topper almost exactly the same as the embellishments because when I was sharing a friend the embellishment, she actually thought they were toppers, and I thought, well, maybe I can decorate the toppers the same as the embellishments, so that way everything can coordinate nicely. And I am really, really happy with the way they turned out. So here is the topper that I used. This is a Sizzix die, and this one is called Treat Back Topper, and there is the item number in case you need it. But of course, I will have it down in the description box. And I did tell you guys about a sale that Sizzix was holding a few weeks ago, so I hope you guys were able to buy this die. And here are other dies that I used. These are dies from Spellbinders. I've had these in my stash for a very long time, you guys, and I really like them. Alright, so this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed it. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you don't mind watching a few Christmas projects here and there throughout these next few months. Also, don't forget to check out the description box for direct links to most of the supplies used in this video. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Hope you all are having an amazing day. Bye everyone.